What's up guys, hope you are doing great. Moto has launched a new budget smartphone under 15K segment. Earlier brands like Infinix Realme used to launch a new phone every week, but now Moto is giving tough to them with their continuous launching of new phones. Last week only they launched a phone under 10K budget segment. Now they are launching this phone in under 15K segment. Earlier Moto used to launch phones with worst spec, but in a recent time they improved a lot. So in this video, let's find out how is their new under 15K budget smartphone. Let's go to the video. First, let's unbox the phone. This is the box of Moto G42. On the front, they mentioned Moto logo and the model name Moto G42. On the back, you can see the picture of the phone. On the bottom, price and box contents are mentioned. Let's cut the seal and open the box. This is Moto G42. Let's remove the screen sticker. The TPU case is pre-installed. Let's turn on the phone. Next, on the box, you'll get some booklets, warranty card and SIM ejector tool. Also, you'll get one 20 watts fast charging adapter and one USB Type A to Type C cable. First, let's talk about the design. The first thing we notice while holding the phone, it's really compact. The phone weighs overall 174 gram and it have total of 8.26 mm thickness. The phone feels really light and the weight distribution also done really great. For one hand usage, the phone feels really compact, light and comfortable. When we talk about bezels, the left and right side bezels are really thin, but the top and bottom bezels are slightly bigger. On the back, you'll get full plastic body design with matte finish. Even though it's a plastic body, it looks like a glassy design. There is a glow on the design, it looks really nice. Overall, to talk about the design, the phone looks really nice and decent. Also, the phone comes on two color variant. The one we have is Atlantic green and the one more variant is metallic rose. Next, let's talk about the display. The phone comes with 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate. Since it's an AMOLED display, the quality is really good and the colors are really punchy. The only negative we felt is display refresh rate. Nowadays almost all phones comes with at least minimum 90Hz refresh rate, but Moto is still hanging with 60Hz. Also they didn't mention any display protection. The display has 700 nits peak brightness. Both on the indoor and outdoor usage, the display is really visible and clear. There is a silver color highlight on the display punch hole. It gives really unfamiliar and the awkward look to the display. Next, let's talk about ports and button. On the left side, we have SIM tray with dual SIM and one SD card support. Both SIM support only 4G. There is no 5G feature on this phone. Also, the SD card supports up to 1 TB. On the bottom, we have mic, Type-C charging port and speaker grill. When it comes to speaker, the phone has stereo speakers with the Dolby Atmos support. The audio quality is loud and clear. Next, on the top, we have one 3.5mm audio jack and secondary noise cancellation mic. Finally, on the right, we have volume rocker key and power button. The fingerprint sensor is also integrated with power button. The sensor is fast and accurate. Also, we have a face unlock option. It is also fast and accurate. When it comes to operating system, the Moto G42 comes with stock Android 12. Compared to many other devices, the stock Android experience is really good on this phone. And there is not many bloatwares on the device. The last security update was on June and the brand promises confirm Android 13 update and a 3 years of security update. When it comes to processor, the Moto G42 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor. It's a decent mid-range processor. The chip performs really great on day-to-day tasks and some mild gaming. When it comes to camera setup, the phone has 16 megapixel selfie camera with aperture 2.2. On rear, we have a triple camera setup. 15 megapixel primary, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro sensor. The picture output are decent. When it comes to video, on rear we can record a full HD video max at 30 frames per second. The video quality is also decent. When it comes to battery and charging, Moto G42 comes with 5000 mAh battery. Also, you'll get 20 watts fast charging adapter on the box. On a normal usage, you'll get almost more than 1.5 days of battery life. The only negative we felt is the fast charging support is only up to 20 watts. Also, the phone have IP52 water and dust resistance. Overall, when we talk about the pros and cons, the pros are the phone have good AMOLED display, good battery life, decent camera, decent performance. Also, it is very light and compact, plus you'll get stereo speakers. And under 15K, this phone offers NFC support. When we talk about the cons, the phone have only 20 watts fast charging support. Also, it has only 60Hz display and the camera features also very less compared to other phones on the same budget segment. When it comes to storage and RAM, the phone comes on two variants, 464 and 128GB. The base model 424 is priced for 14,000. Overall, if you are looking for a decent smartphone under 15,000 with good display, good battery life and decent performance, then Moto G42 would be a great choice for you. Hope you find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.